Meaning of enology.
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 Enology. Enology is the scientific study of wines and winemaking. It involves understanding the chemical and biological processes involved in grape growing, fermentation, aging, and bottling. Enologists use this knowledge to make decisions on vineyard management, grape selection, yeast strains, and oak treatment to create wines with desired characteristics. Enology is also concerned with the sensory evaluation of wines, including appearance, aroma, taste, and mouthfeel. Overall, enology plays a crucial role in the wine industry by ensuring the quality and consistency of wines and improving winemaking techniques.